The human heart is the most important part of the circulatory system. It is about the size of a clenched fist. The heart is covered by a double-layered membrane which is known as pericardium. The heart contains 4 chambers. The chambers of the heart that receive the blood are known as auricles and the chambers that distribute the blood are known as ventricles. Now we will talk about the valves of the heart. There are 4 valves present in the heart. Those are tricuspid valve. The tricuspid valve, also known as the right auricular valve, is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle. The second valve present is the mitral valve. Mitral valve, also known as the left auricular valve, is present between the left auricle and the left ventricle. The third valve is the pulmonary semilunar valve. This valve is present at the beginning of the pulmonary artery. The fourth valve is the aortic semilunar valve. The valve is present at the opening of the aorta. Aorta is the largest artery. The pulmonary valve and the aortic valve are together known as semilunar valves. Now we will talk about the sounds of the heart. The heart makes 2 sounds. Those are diastole and systole. Diastole is a brief period of heart when both auricles and ventricles relax. That is when the heart is filled with blood. Systole is the period of the heart when both auricles and ventricles contract. That is, they lose blood. The 2 sounds of the heart can be heard by an instrument which is known as stethoscope. Now we will talk about pacemaker. The beating of a heart is controlled by the pacemaker. Pacemaker is a group of nerve cells that are present at the right atrium. If the pacemaker of a person doesn't work, then a machine is inserted in the patient. That is known as the pacemaker. The original pacemaker of the heart is known as the sinoatrial node or the SM node. Well, have you ever wondered that how does the blood reach us? Here is the answer. When the deoxygenated blood is first connected in the right auricle by the superior and the inferior vena cava, the deoxygenated blood then travels to the right ventricle. After that, the blood goes to the lungs for oxygenation by the pulmonary artery. Now, as the blood has oxygenated, it reaches the left auricle by the pulmonary veins. The oxygenated blood is then passed to the left ventricle. After that, the oxygenated blood is distributed to whole of the body by the aorta. This is how blood is distributed in the body. Now, what is septum? Septum is the dividing valve present between the 2 sides of the heart. The septum that divides the right and the left auricle is known as the interatrial septum or the atrial septum. The septum that divides the right and left ventricle is known as interventricular septum or the ventricular septum. Now we will talk about the importance of septum. Septum separates the 2 sides of the heart. It also prevents the mixing of the oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood. The oxygenation of blood can't be done completely if the septum is not present. I hope that you all like this video. Thank you.